Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms, we have 3 thinly sliced top of the round steaks here. Yep, and we're going to slice them up and make it into some nice tasty beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms. Yeah, so let's get started doing that. Yeah, and we're going to use our aceti knife. It's a Santoku knife. Oh, you know what? Let's sharpen this up real quick using our any sharp knife sharpener. Let's do it. Let's put this aside for a minute. And we'll get our any sharp knife sharpener and we'll put it right here. Lock it down. And we'll take our knife, we'll just pull it through there like 3 times, all you need to do. Just like that. Okay, now you know that's sharp, so, well, that's all there is to it. Now we just unlock our suction cup, and that worked really good. Yeah, this really works good in a pinch. You know, if you have a dull knife and you want to cut something, you know, just run it through here like 3 times and you're good to go. Okay, let's get back to our steaks and slice them up. See how we did sharpening. Alright, let's do it. We'll bring our steaks back. Okay, let me see if I can show you how thin these steaks are. Let's see. I'll pick this one up. Can you see it? It's about a little over 1/8 of an inch thick. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and stack them up before we slice them up. We'll put one on top of each other there. Just like that. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and slice them up across the grain. The grain's running this way. You don't want to slice along the grain, you want to go across. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to try to make them into bite-sized chunks, you know. Wow, that knife's sharp. Going through there like nothing. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now for these long ones, you can cut them in half again. You know, that's probably what we're going to do. We'll just go ahead and take some of these short ones out of the way. You know, these are like bite-sized pieces. You know, beautiful. All right. And we'll go ahead and we'll maybe cut these again lengthwise. You know, make them a little bit more bite-sized. Just like this. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, that knife is really sharp now. Okay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put them in a bowl. And we're going to break them up a little bit, you know, while we're putting them in there. See, there's 3 slices each, so we'll just go ahead and break them up. Makes things easier later on. Boy, they look good. Here they are. Our beautiful beef that we're going to use. It's all sliced up nice. Yep. Yeah, to make our beef nice and tender and tasty and also lock in some of the moisture so it doesn't dry out when we stir fry, we're going to make a marinade for our beef. So let's do that. Okay, we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we're going to put that in there. And we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're going to put that right in there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of water. And we're going to mix that up. Now we want this beef to absorb as much of that liquid as it can. And the cornstarch will help lock all that moisture in. and the baking soda will help tenderize it. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix that in. Okay, boy, that looks nice. Okay, that ought to do it right there. Okay, for the main ingredients for our spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms are, we have 3 thin slices of top of the round steak here that we sliced up real thin, you know, into strips, and we marinated them, yeah, in cornstarch, baking soda, soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil, and we add a little water there, yeah. And we're going to let that marinate for about 30 minutes before we cook it, yep. And over here we have our bell peppers, red and green bell peppers. It's about 1/4 of a bell pepper each, and about 1/4 of a white onion in there, all sliced up. It's about 2 cups worth right there, all together. And back here we have the star of the show here is our broccoli. Yeah, there's at least 2 cups of that, if not like a pound of it, you know, sliced up, you know, into little florets. Now up here we have our sliced mushrooms. It's about an 8-ounce can of sliced mushrooms there. And back here we have our 1/2 cup of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you have. You can also use beef broth if you want. And over here we have our soy sauce. It's about 1/4 cup. And back here we have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And over here we have 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Yep. And up here we have our seasonings. There's a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Yeah, that's going to sweeten it up just a little bit. Okay. Okay, now all we have to do is get ready to stir fry our beef and broccoli with mushrooms and all the good vegetables and seasonings in here. Yeah, it's going to taste good. Okay, let's get started doing that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. And we'll put a little oil in the pan. Okay, and we'll let our pan get nice and hot. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're going to take our marinated beef here, and we're going to go ahead and put that right in there. Okay, let's stir that around. Okay, it won't take long for that beef to cook because it's really thin. Okay, our beef's done. Let's get them out of there. Okay. Boy, don't they look nice? All right, let's put them aside for a little bit. And if you need to, you can put a little more oil in the pan. And we're going to take our broccoli and put that in. Yeah. Boy, don't they look nice? All right, let's put them in. And we'll give them a quick stir. And we'll go ahead and add a little bit of rice wine. It's about a tablespoon. And as soon as that burns off, we're going to add the rest of our vegetables. Yep. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. Okay, now let's add the peppers and onions. Put them in there. Give them a little stir. Now we're going to add our minced garlic. Put that in there. Stir that around a little bit. Get them flavors going. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms in there. Yep. That's a whole can of mushrooms there, 8-ounce can. Stir them in. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our oyster sauce. Yep. Put that in there. Stir that around. Yeah. Boy, this is smelling good already. Wish you could smell this. Just with the flavors that are going on in there with the vegetables. You know? And the flavor bits that came off the meat when we were stir frying. Beautiful. Now we're going to take our soy sauce and we're going to add all our spices in there. You know, the red pepper flakes, the cayenne pepper, you know, and the cornstarch and the sugar. Put that in there. And we're going to mix that up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. Give that a little mix. Now we're going to go ahead and add our half a cup of chicken stock or chicken bouillon, whatever you have. Put that in there. Okay, now what that cornstarch is going to do is going to make a nice sauce, and it's going to thicken up some when we're cooking it. Yeah. Okay, let's see how we're doing. If it's thickened up some. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and thick. Because we like a little bit of sauce here, you know, and that really tastes good. Okay, now let's add in our marinated pre-cooked beef. Yep, let's put that right in there. And let's shut our burner off, because that pan will stay nice and hot. Wow. Is that looking good? Okay, that looks really good. And that's done. So now all we have to do is have a taste test. Yeah, that's the best part. Let's do that. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, here it is. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Yep, our delicious spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms. It's got plenty of beef, plenty of mushrooms, and plenty of broccoli. Yeah, not to mention all them green and red peppers and onions that are in there, and all that good sauce and seasoning. Yeah, I bet you this is going to taste good. I hope it's just a little mild, not too hot, you know. I like it mild. That sounds good. Okay, let's put a little sesame seed on top. Just a little bit to make it look nice. Boy, does that smell good. I wish you could smell this. Alright, let's just go ahead and have a taste. I can't wait. Let's get into a bite. Where are we going here? We got broccoli, meat, and everything here. Alright, let's get a piece. Let's see what we can do here. We'll just get right into it. Okay, wow, look at that. Can you see it? Look at that mushroom and the beef and the broccoli and the pepper on there. Yeah, okay. Boy, does that look good. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite. I bet it's going to be tender, that beef. All right, let's do it. Wow, is that tasty. That's just plain delicious. It's not too hot, it's just mildly spicy, which is good. Yeah, everybody's going to enjoy this. Yep. Just put this on the table and it's not going to last long. And this will serve like 4 people. So go ahead and plan ahead. You know, get some guests over. Yeah. And you can also serve it with rice or whatever you have there, you know, maybe even noodles. But this is really tasty. Let me see if I can show you just how tender that beef is. Let me get a piece back here. You see it? Maybe we can pull it apart. Pulls right apart. Yeah. Okay guys, there you have it. A delicious spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms for dinner tonight. Yep. You know what would go good with this right here? Yeah, since I'm having it for dinner, I'm going to have a nice wobble pop. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah. Spicy beef and broccoli stir fry with mushrooms. Yeah, you can't beat that right there.